Hey guys, what is cracking lacking, boys? I got you guys on handheld right now. Alright, so I cleaned up this old house. I had plans of welding this back together. These ears here to reuse as housing. Well, further ado, see how much rot there is right there? Yeah, this housing's no good. Even if I didn't drill out the housing to get this out. Also, notice there's a, yeah, you guys see it, pretty rotted there. Another thing is, see how thick that flange is? Look at how thin that flange is. See how shallow that flange is? See how thick that flange is? This will never work. And I'm not going to risk it. So, I talked to some people on the GM, what's that? GM 800 or GM 400? I can't remember. I'll post it here. The group I go to. I asked them, would this be alright to run? Because you guys can see how tore up. Everybody says run it. Clean it up and run it. As long as the bearings didn't spin. And as far as I know, they didn't spin. Because I was looking at the race. These races did not spin. And they came out hard. I mean, I can't push the old one in. And if I grab my new one, I can't push the new one in either. So, yep. So I took the belt grinder, the little one I got, and I went in there and just shined her up so there's no sharp edges. Still got quite a bit of meat on her. So I looked. I did not see no cracks. This side same way. I mean, I know it's a little close, but I think she's still good to go. And if I grab this new one, she does not fall in. So I would say we're golden. Even with the old one, it did not spin. So I think we're good. So what I'm going to do is I got my salamander sitting over here. I'm going to heat her up, get her warmed up, so the race is going a little easier. Because I don't really want to crack this housing. So by warming this up, it should work a little bit better. That's the plan. So we should be able to get these in a little easier. I'll be back when I get her done. Alright, you may not hear me over this. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm using the salamander to heat that cast steel up. It's a lot faster than using a torch. Alright, and everybody wants to know about Mama Grinch. She's up there. Alright, catch you guys in a few. Alright boys, give me a few minutes. I gotta go get my hot part. Hi baby. And by the way, these bearings about 60 degrees. It's a chilly day in June. Oh, that one ain't all the way. Oh, it popped out on me. Makes sense. Okay, now we need to wrap this. Hi, baby. Hi, girl. Now, I know this sounds stupid, but you want this thing to cool. You want this thing to cool slowly. I hope I didn't disturb that bearing. This ain't gonna work. Well, maybe it will stay. Oh, I just gotta get this freaking part wrapped. Alright, there we go. Let that thing cool off slowly. This welding blanket should keep the heat in. Should allow it to cool very slowly. Because what it is expansion. You don't want to cool off too fast. You want to slowly bring down. Because it's slowly ramped up on heat. So it's got to slowly come down on heat. Alright. Catch you guys later then. We'll be back when we finish this up. What is happening, guys, is a couple days. It's kind of chilly. We've had some severe weather came through for a while. So, I've already chalked on it. From what I can see, it looks like they're all the way down. But let's make sure. is all the way tacked in. Lose my mind, guys. I know I had a clean rag around here. Alright. There's that. I've already cleaned up our pinion. Pinion looks good. Need a big bearing. That'll work. Okay, let's see if we can get her in the press. I still need to go farther now.
Hey, honey. You sure no one will come in here? Gotta change my pants.
I'm going to drink his room.
Well, that's where I found these, were in Grinch's room. In my bag. My pants are completely soaked. All the babies. The ones that we gave baths to. They're all trying to crawl up my leg just so that way they can get combed and groomed and, yeah.
I think we still got a few more that need to get bathed.